What's up, YouTubers? Joe here with BHA, back at you again for another fishing adventure. After Marty and John took me trout fishing and was successful, recruited them again to do a little catfishing today. So we're out at Yellowstone Lake, and one of the cool things we're going to do is we're going to try to catch some catfish to show you guys that they're not the gross, dirty fish that everybody says. So we're going to get some for the frying pan. I've never done it before, but John hooked me up with this setup. It's an egg sinker on about 12-inch leader with a circle hook. So, I mean, it's a matter of just casting out like 20 feet from shore and letting them sit. So we're going to be setting up here shortly, and hopefully we get on some. So we can keep how many?
So 10, and there's no minimum size, 10 flathead or channel cats.
But you said that the smaller ones are better eating.
The smaller ones are better eating. Let's say anything under 20 comes home into the fry and goes into the fry pan.
Okay, okay. And we're using crawlers.
We're using crawlers for two reasons. We're using crawlers because stink bait stinks, and you can probably catch other stuff with the crawlers. Whereas if you use stink bait, you're only going to catch catfish, and there's no reason to pay more money for it and reduce your opportunities. You know, so I think we're gonna do all right.
I'm gonna stop here and fish off this pier.
Do it.
Sounds good.
See ya.
Holler if you get something.
Oh, will do.
I don't know if this is the right way to do it. This is how I'm doing it.
We're all limited out.
So when you cast it in, you just let it set forever, or like let it set for a few minutes and slowly reel it in?
Usually let it sit, yeah, probably at least 10 minutes, and then I always like to have a tight line. Yeah, basically you take a little trainer about that big and just cut it in half and put one on or set it up.
It's funny thing.
So with circle hooks, what you want to do is wait till the fish fully takes it, because the hook will work its way around and set itself.
Oh.
And so as you see it start to go down, I like to take a couple reels, make sure it's on, and then I don't set the hook. I kind of lift gently and start reeling, and it'll set itself that way.
Okay.
Whereas if you set it, sometimes you can pull it out of their mouth while they're still kind of pulling on it before it gets set. So the nice thing about them setting itself, they'll always kind of work it to the corner of their mouth, and they have a nice set on the corner.
And that's specific with those circle hooks.
Circle hooks, yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, fish on?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I definitely did.
This better not be a false alarm, Marty.
False alarm.
Oh, it's a false alarm. Did you have a bite?
I definitely had a bite.
Did you set?
Did
You probably set the
Did you
hook.
try to set the hook, or did you reel it?
I just started reeling slowly.
Okay, then you should be good.
Actually, I might have somebody on here.
So it looks
It
like
looks,
it's moving around.
yeah.
Yeah, you got a little bite. You got a.
What do you mean you don't think you have to try?
There's
As the
no
drag's going out, he's like,
resistance.
oh, I might have something. Where's your net? That's
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice.
My work is done.
That's how you do it, boy.
Dang. Get that man a beer.
There's an eater right there. That's
Oh.
great.
Hey, hey.
I don't want to be the guy that loses the first catfish.
Well, you could be the one that gets pinned.
Yeah, exactly. Learn.
Oh, nice.
That's perfect eating size right there.
Yay.
Absolutely perfect eating size.
Perfect.
Nice.
Moses.
All right, yeah, be careful though. Show me those pointy things.
So
So on the top,
Right-
you just covered it up.
right along here, right on the back side.
Oh, so these things, they're nothing.
No,
Oh, I always thought those were what stung you.
those are the barbles.
I always call them whiskers.
Whiskers.
Oh, so those don't affect you.
You need a.
Right on the lip.
See how it hooked in the corner?
Then we can.
Sweet.
Walk away, sorry.
No, it's totally fine.
All right, then we got it guys away.
Where the fish at, Joe?
The elusive catfish are still in the water. Soon, grasshopper, soon. Patience, virtue.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Anthony just missed the fish.
Nah, I don't know what happened. The drag started peeling. I got nervous and scared.
You've brought shame upon our group. That was the first.
I thought like these hooks just, you know, usually these catfish just hook themselves. They just like, the line starts running, you just grab it, give it a minute. And
Premature. It was bzzz, and all of a sudden, Anthony got on it, and next thing you know,
Jesus, you gotta crank the thing down. Squirt.
Clearly. He's still on.
God.
Dude, it's gonna. I think it's gonna jump.
What?
I'm not. This isn't fighting like a catfish.
Oh, it's something different.
Yeah. I'm the big dog.
That's the OG.
Right? It's just doing circle laps.
Carp.
No, that's a cat. It's a cat. It's a good cat.
Get her in. Ooh, it's a good fryer.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I'm in the basket already.
You got it.
Okay. You want me to pull it in? I didn't know if you wanted me to.
No, we're good. Jump in.
Yes!
Everybody's officially on the board.
It is time.
That's a nice one.
We were here three.
You putting the catfish in the cooler or beer?
Beer. No, but we figured Anthony says he's got about 10 minutes of light to get these filleted, man.
Oh boy.
We want to get it, so pitter patter.
So we're
Yep.
cleaning channel catfish here. And basically what we're doing here is we want to get the skin off. So we're going to make a cut by the head, kind of going around here. And then we're going to make it on the reverse side. Nice sharp knife. And we're going to grab this skin and pull it back so it comes off. And we have fillets that are, that are skinless. And then we're going to cut. Pretty much a boneless fillet.
Nice. That's not bad.
No. I mean, it's interesting. Like there's,
It's nice and tender. It doesn't
it
look
should
mushy.
be, it should be really good. And the other thing about it is that these younger fish don't have that mud vein in the way that the bigger ones do. And so
Where is that? Roughly?
that mud vein, you would see it along here, but it's just basically pure, beautiful flesh, and we'll get that flesh on ice. But
All right, another successful Joe Goes Fishing. Thanks again, Marty and John, for putting us on cats, and stellar job, Anthony, with the filming. And Anthony actually got to catch a fish this time, so
Hey,
he'll be
Everyone
highlighted too.
and you didn't call me Andrew.
And I didn't call you Andrew.
and no bugs.
And no
And
bugs.
no- wow,
this
I
has
know.
been a stellar trip.
What
Yep.
more do you want?
Good times, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. All around.
Oh yeah.